Hey crew, it's Mike and Vanna White, my lovely assistant, firecracker on two wheels. And she's gonna be in the video today a lot because we are actually doing an upgrade on her Sport Glide. As you already know from the title, she's getting a new seat from Saddlemen, but it's pretty special, we hope. We haven't unboxed it yet. Are you excited?
Yes.
How long you been waiting for this?
I don't know,
8 weeks?
Was it 8 weeks? I didn't think it was that long.
It wasn't 8 weeks to order it, but we've been talking about it over 8 weeks. We went and looked at what Saddlemen had at Bike Fest, and then after she looked at it, we had to custom order it because she wanted something special. What'd you want special?
Purple stitching.
So let's take this thing out of the box, get it on the bike, see how it looks. And then she's gonna have to do some break-in riding on it.
Oh. It's so pretty. Oh.
Let's take a closer look at this thing for a second.
In order to install it, we have these instructions because they turn the fender mount inwards for shipping purposes. So it says to take the bolts out, flip it around, and then install it on the bike. It takes a 1/8 Allen. Flip her around, tighten it down. I think I need to turn it this way to tighten it good. How tight should I get it?
How tight were they when you took them loose?
Probably about that. There we go. And as a bonus, I got stickers, and it's going on my board. On my seat, I did not order the gel for my passenger, but on Saddlemen, all driver's seat comes with gel installed in it.
All right, guys, we're about to put the new seat on. We're gonna go get this old seat off. Now, we've had this seat off before, so we don't have that stupid grab strap over it anymore. I got rid of that the first time we took it off. It's a big pain in the butt. So this is gonna be really simple. It's just one bolt in the back that you have to take loose, and then there's a notch in the front that it hooks under. So it's gonna be real simple. Let's just get this done.
There we go. I'm ready just to sit on it and try it. It feels different, but I like the step up on the back there, and I can't wait to get some miles in and get it broke in.
The first real test she's gonna have riding the seat very far is gonna be a toy run. Now it's about 100 miles up and 100 miles back for the toy run. So she's gonna get a 200-mile day on it, and that's probably gonna be the longest chance she's gonna get to ride it in one day between now and winter. And we got some big plans for the bike this winter. All right, guys, it's been a couple of weeks since we went on that ride. She's been riding it some. Before we get her final thoughts on the new seat, I want to tell you about some of the features of the Saddlemen seat. I also want to let you guys know, this isn't a sponsored video. They did not give us this seat. We did pay for the seat. All right, let's get into those features. This seat runs about $459 on Saddlemen's website without stitching. They have multiple styles for the tuck and roll and the lattice stitch. They'll show you on a diagram where the logos, the top stitch area is, the different sections of the seat, so that when you're making your choices for your options, you'll know what they're referencing to. You can choose to get gel for the passenger area, but gel is always included for the driver. They have 12 colors of thread available for the stitching. They have different materials available for different sections of different seats. When you go to order your seat, you can choose the material, You can choose the different colors of stitching. You can choose a separate color for the top stitching or the logo. You can have the option to add gel for the passenger and the type of material for the black gripper as well. The seat has great lumbar support. Now, it may not seem like this step up would do a lot, but I really liked and could tell a big difference in just the 10 miles I rode the bike. Saddlemen seats are also made in the USA, super easy to install, and look amazing. The order process is simple and they keep you informed during the build process as it advances from one stage to another.
Hey, this is Firecracker, and I'm going to give you my honest opinion on the new Step Up Saddlemen seat that I got. I feel like it pushed me forward to where I wasn't pinching my shoulders as low as my handlebars are. They a lot of times will pinch the back in the back, and it makes my back hurt after riding for a while. I've rode it with it several hundred miles. I really love the Saddlemen seat, and I'm really glad that I made this purchase. I feel that I'm going to be very comfortable on this seat, and I really feel like there was no breaking into it at all. If we didn't already tell you, I did get the seat in purple. If you'd like to know the reason that I got it in purple stitching, you need to subscribe to Firecracker on Two Wheels and Riding in the Ozarks. We will be showing you the reason in a future video.
All right, guys, I thought I'd give you my opinion on the seat too. Now, I only rode about 10 miles. I literally have rode it from the house to the shop and back and stuff, but I have rode it, and I could definitely tell a difference, like she was talking about how the step up part kind of helps hold you forward, moves you forward, sets you up straighter. It feels a little different, but it did not feel bad. I think it's a good thing. I think it'll be a really good thing for her. We're gonna work on some other things. We've got some bars planned for this bike, which will help also with her riding position. I really like the seat. I thought it was comfortable right out of the gate. I have sat on other brand new seats this year that I reviewed, and they felt a little hard to begin with, like they need to be broke in. Did not feel anything like that with these gel seats, man. They're pretty amazing, pretty sweet. So just wanted to let you know what I thought of the seat as well. Although I don't have near as much time on this seat as she does, I think it's a great seat, looks gorgeous. Company was top notch to work with. Throughout the ordering process, we got updates, what stage the seat was in, that kind of stuff. So really, pretty impressed with Saddlemen. All right, if you guys are into upgrades like this Saddlemen seat, you want to see what kind of bars we put on her bike, what other upgrades we're doing to her Sport Glide or my Street Glide, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Y'all stay safe, keep on riding, and we'll see you in the next one.